easy homemade lasagna. This is a simple and delicious lazy lasagna recipe from Italy. Try it tonight. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil over high heat. Add 400 grams of pasta and cook until al dente, according to package directions. Drain well. Add 50 milliliters of olive oil and set aside. Grate 300 grams of Parmesan. Dice 1 onion. Chop parsley. On a large skillet over medium heat, cook onion until fragrant. Add 1 kilo of minced beef and cook until done, normally 15 minutes. Also, you can use Italian sausage instead of beef. Season with spices. I use black ground pepper, paprika, and barbecue seasoning. Pour in 300 milliliters of tomato sauce. I used unflavored packed tomato sauce. Stir in parsley and half of the grated Parmesan. In a casserole pan, mix pasta and sauce. Add the second half of grated cheese. Repeat with the second layer. Bake the pasta in a 375-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes until bubbling and melted cheese is golden brown. Once cooked, top with more cheese. Let cool for 10 minutes, then serve. All your family will truly enjoy this homemade lasagna. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss new, easy recipes.